Picture this, it's 1998 in Vancouver, Canada. A yoga enthusiast named Chip Wilson, fresh from the surf and snowboard scene, steps into a yoga class and notices something odd. The workout clothes? They're baggy, uncomfortable, and uninspiring. Wilson, with a spark of entrepreneurial fire, decides to change that. His vision wasn't just to make better activewear, it was to create a lifestyle brand that empowered people to live healthier, happier lives. That vision gave birth to Lululemon, a company that would transform the athleisure industry and soar to a $500 billion empire. The seed of a movement. In the late 90s, athletic apparel was dominated by bulky cotton tees and one-size-fits-all designs. Yoga was niche, and no one was designing clothes specifically for it. Wilson saw an opportunity to blend performance, style, and community. He started Lululemon in a small design studio that doubled as a yoga space, testing fabrics and fits with local yogis. His first product? A pair of sleek, sweat-wicking yoga pants that hugged the body and moved with it. Lululemon's early edge was its focus on quality and feedback. Wilson didn't just design clothes, he listened to customers, iterating designs based on real-world needs. By 2000, the first Lululemon store opened in Vancouver, offering premium activewear that felt like a revelation. Customers didn't just buy clothes. They bought into a lifestyle, sweating through the challenges. Building Lululemon wasn't a smooth stretch. The road was littered with obstacles. Competition loomed large. Giants like Nike and Adidas ruled the athletic apparel space, with deep pockets and global reach. Lululemon, a tiny Canadian upstart, had to carve out a niche against these titans. Wilson's answer? Focus on a specific audience, yoga enthusiasts, and deliver unmatched quality. Scaling globally was another hurdle. Could Lululemon's community-driven, premium model work beyond Canada? Different markets had unique tastes and logistics challenges. Wilson bet on staying true to the brand's core, high-quality products and authentic customer connections. Brand recognition was a struggle early on. Outside Vancouver, Lululemon was unknown. Instead of splashing cash on ads, Wilson leaned on grassroots marketing, partnering with yoga instructors and hosting free community classes to spread the word. Stretching to new heights. So, how did Lululemon conquer these challenges? It started with product innovation. Lululemon's proprietary fabrics, like Luon and Nulu, offered unmatched stretch, breathability, and durability. The brand obsessed over details, flat seams, strategic stitching, and fits that flattered. This wasn't just activewear, it was gear that made you feel unstoppable. Next, Lululemon mastered community building. Stores weren't just retail spaces, they were hubs for yoga classes, run clubs, and wellness events. The brand hired passionate ambassadors, local fitness instructors who embodied Lululemon's values and spread the gospel. This created a loyal tribe of customers who didn't just wear Lululemon. They lived it. For global expansion, Lululemon adapted without compromising. It studied local markets, tailoring designs to suit regional preferences while maintaining its premium ethos. By 2010, stores dotted the US, Australia, and Asia, with supply chains optimized to keep quality high and delivery fast. When e-commerce exploded, Lululemon pounced. Its online store launched with a seamless interface, offering virtual styling and workout content to keep customers engaged. The brand also embraced sustainability, rolling out eco-friendly lines made from recycled materials and committing to ethical sourcing. This resonated with a new generation of conscious consumers. A global phenomenon. By 2025, Lululemon is a titan with over 700 stores in 50-plus countries and a valuation topping $500 billion. Its athleisure, once just yoga pants, now spans running gear, office wear, and even menswear. Lululemon didn't just sell clothes, it sparked a cultural shift, making athleisure a wardrobe staple and wellness a global priority. Its parent company, Lululemon Athletica, continues to innovate. From smart fabrics to virtual fitness platforms, Lululemon's influence goes beyond apparel. It redefined how brands connect with customers, proving that community, quality, and purpose can drive explosive growth. Lessons from the Lululemon journey. Lululemon's rise offers timeless takeaways. Listen to your customer. By iterating based on real feedback, Lululemon created products people couldn't resist. Build a community, not just a brand. Lululemon's ambassador program and events turned customers into advocates. Innovate relentlessly. From fabrics to e-commerce, staying ahead of trends kept Lululemon relevant. Purpose drives profit. Lululemon's focus on wellness and sustainability aligned with customer values, fueling loyalty. Chip Wilson's journey with Lululemon isn't just about building a business, it's about creating a movement. From a tiny Vancouver workshop to a global powerhouse, Lululemon proves that with vision, grit, and a commitment to community, you can stretch the limits of what's possible and redefine an industry.